Going to the detailer. That one again, yes.
Yeah.
How you doing?
I'm very good. Yourself?
So that one we just want a detail.
All right.
One more time. It's for a customer.
Perfect.
I'm trying to surprise him to make it look really nice.
Sure, man, you're at the best place on town.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Beto. All right. See you later. You too. Bro, it's so easy to record, bro. I'm gonna record everything. So the customer stated that the clutch is a little too mushy, and we installed a brand new clutch on this vehicle. What do you think, Jordan?
سيارة أقسم بالله إنهم بتبنوا تمني إنه يكون عنده البي إم same this look لاتش
This mechanic is specialty BMW, and he is very familiar with them. He's been working on BMWs for over 20 years, and he said that BMW owners usually wish that the clutch feels like this. Not super hard, not too soft. It's just that right spot.
بحبوا الدعسة الطرية عشان الدريفت.
Oh,
Yeah.
they like the somewhat soft pedal due to the drift. I guess if it's too hard, the clutch will, you know, it'll be like harder to shift and whatnot. So he says it's just perfectly normal.
It's perfect.
It's perfect? Okay. Thank you, bro. Jordan, everybody. So we're gonna surprise this customer with this beautiful 330ci. Very nice car. He asked us to do a couple things before he can take delivery of the vehicle. So this car has brand new leather seats, and it also has, he asked us to do the steering wheel brand new. We just fully wrapped it with nice, beautiful, soft touch leather. It has that new feel now. And then we also did this little armrest right here. This is also new. And then we're gonna put a couple new tires because the back tires are brand new. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. We want to put tires in the front to match the back. These are a little, you know, they're wearing out already. So, but yeah, this is such a beautiful car, man. Very beautiful car. It runs beautiful too. So I'm gonna drive it around a little bit, make sure it's ready to take delivery. Tomorrow we should get the tires, we'll put them on. We just checked the clutch. Oh, we gotta throw a full detail after we put the tires on. We'll give it a nice full detail, and we'll get it shipped out to another happy customer. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell button. It's gonna help us out a lot. And make sure to check out Barman Auto Sales, where we provide beautiful cars, used cars at super affordable prices. We're a high volume cash dealer only. All right, got these bad boys in. Gonna put them up, gonna slap them in that BMW. And then the next step would be, we already sent it to the detail shop, so we gotta wait until we get it from the detail shop. Then put these bad boys on, and then it's gonna be ready to go.